Shona Ferguson has a big announcement from Mzansi. After leaving viewers glued to their small screens with its first season and begging for more, Kings of Joburg fans will be excited to find out that their favorite series has been renewed for a second season. The exciting news was shared by Shona Ferguson on social media after he shared a hilarious video on his Instagram page where his daughter Alicia Ferguson was accusing him of farting. Shona was sitting inside his car and Alicia was in Connie Ferguson's car. The family was arguing about Shona, who apparently farted, but he kept on defending himself. The Kings of Joburg producer then decided to share the exciting news, saying the series is returning. The 6-episode series follows the exploits of the two Messiah brothers, who are involved in organized crime. They are the titular kings, and the show explores themes of family structures, loyalty, crime, and African masculinity. There are also elements of the supernatural and the occult. Connie Ferguson plays a role as a mermaid in this one. The series features a star-studded cast such as Abdul Koza, Zalisa Zaluva, Yul Samuels, TK Sepathoma, and SK Koza, to name a few. Shona said Kings of Joburg was inspired by the folk tales his father used to tell him when he was growing up. These stories kept me up at night and gave me nightmares, but I had to bring them to life in a tale of human conflict. Audiences will be surprised to learn that despite the darkness of this story, Kings of Joburg paints a beautiful picture of the city of Johannesburg. I am also grateful to have worked with such an amazing cast and crew who gave it their all and helped bring my vision to life, quote, he explained. When they were accused of recycling actors on the show, Shona was quick to defend themselves and said they cannot cast actors away. The term recycling actors is very insulting to actors in our industry. Actors act. That's what they do for a living. Saying because they've been on one project they should be cast away and someone new must be cast is unfair. I have never cared for this particular phrase, open up the industry, because it's what we do every day of our lives. We open up the industry to new and old talent. We open up the industry to the world, he said.